Today, our Black Student Union is having a school-wide assembly to celebrate Black history and Black presence.
It's important because the assembly is mostly about just like Black History Month and like bringing more awareness to like Black history and like our club.
Black Student Union, the club, is not just for Black people to know more about themselves. It's also anybody who wants to learn more about it.
They talk about things that are important to them, and they would like to present the things that are important to them to the rest of the community, so the rest of the community can celebrate with them the importance of February.
We are going to be talking about the culture and community here at Southridge High School.
Good to have the support.
I feel like it's more important for like all the students in the school just really like learn about all the stuff in the assembly.
It's important because in order to have a community that works well with each other and to have like understanding between everyone and just for everyone to have a good time, it's key that we all understand each other to the extent of our history, our culture, and our background. It will set the foundation for us to have a closer knit community.